We're ready to move on to the side seams. And how simple is that? We've got the back of the skirt constructed. We have the front of the skirt constructed. All you do is place right sides together, pin the seam allowances together, as I have done on that one side, and I'm going to pin the other side. Just a few pins to hold it in place, and then we'll go ahead and get the front sewn together with the back. This is the side that had the double notch. You can see it right there. So again, it just orients you to make sure you're on target and getting the right piece sewn to the right section. And here we go. Again, my machine will be on 2.5 millimeter stitch length, and the seam allowance will be 5/8 of an inch wide. And that's seam number 1, and we'll go on to side seam number 2. There are the 2 side seams done and completed. I'm now going to serge the raw edges, and we'll press those seams open as well. And again, because we're going over the hip curve, this will be pressed over top of the tailor's ham. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, I invite you to join the Sherfa Designs community if you haven't already. And you can do that in 3 easy steps. Number 1, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is SureFit Designs. Secondly, make sure to sign up for our newsletter list. And you can do that by going to surefitdesigns.com. And there are free gifts to get you started. And if you happen to be a Facebook fan, we do have a private group. Go to facebook.com/groups/SureFitDesigns. Request to join. Make sure you answer the 3 questions and I'll approve you. Thanks so much for watching.